वेलकम टू द टर्निंग पॉइंट। हमारे साथ आज एक बहुत ही ख़ास मेहमान मौजूद हैं। एक ऐसी हस्ती जिनके शायद इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट में सबसे ज़्यादा फैंस हैं, लेकिन उससे भी ज़्यादा मिसाल दी जाती है उनकी इन्वेस्टमेंट विजडम की। हमारे साथ राकेश झुनझुनवाला साहब मौजूद हैं। सर, थैंक्स लॉट फॉर जॉइनिंग अस।
थैंक यू फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी।
सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद बेसिक क्वेश्चन। आपको सबसे पहले कब रियलाइज़ हुआ दैट दिस इज़ वेयर यू वांट टू मेक योर करियर स्टॉक मार्केट में?
मेरे को तो बहुत 1980 में, जब मैं 20 साल का था, जब से मेरे को थिंकिंग थी, वो शेयर्स और स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में बहुत इंटरेस्ट हुआ करता था। और मेरे पिताजी मुझे हमेशा बोलते थे कि वही करो जिंदगी में जो तुमको शौक है। और जब से मैंने सोचा था कि मैं तो जिंदगी शेयर बाजार में बनाऊँ।
लेकिन आपके पिताजी खुद भी इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट में थे, सीनियर लेवल पर थे। कभी उनकी तरफ से ऐसी कोई सजेशन नहीं आया दैट यू शुड आल्सो गेट इनटू समथिंग लाइक दिस, बिकॉज एट दैट पॉइंट स्टॉक मार्केट्स वर लुक्ड अपॉन एज अ सट्टा मार्केट, एक मतलब लोगों का नजरिया अलग था पूरा।
माई फादर ऑलवेज रिस्पेक्टेड माई इंडिपेंडेंस एंड माई व्यूज। ही वार्न मी व्हेन आई टोल्ड हिम आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग माई चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी कि मुझे शेयर बाजार जाना है और मैं अपना करियर और लाइफ वहीं बनाऊंगा, तो मुझे बोले कि मैं तुझे कोई पैसा नहीं दूंगा।
तो व्हाट वाज योर फर्स्ट स्टेप? आपने इसके बाद हाउ डिड इट ऑल स्टार्ट? पहला एक्सपीरियंस और फर्स्ट ब्रश विद स्टॉक मार्केट, व्हाट वाज दैट?
मैं बाजार में तो पहले से ही आता था, भाव भाव देखता था, सब थोड़ा बहुत फॉलो करने की भी कोशिश करता था। लेकिन जब पिताजी ने बोल दिया कुछ पैसा नहीं दूंगा, तो मैंने अपना बैंक अकाउंट बनाया, तो 5,000 रुपये थे बैंक में। तो अब क्या करें? तो मेरे ब्रदर प्रैक्टिसिंग चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट थे, उनकी क्लाइंट से मिलजुल कर मैंने थोड़ा रुपया रेस किया लोन में, करीब 12.5 लाख रुपया। और पहले साल में मैंने 20-25 लाख रुपया कमाया।
अच्छा।
फिर 2-3 साल तो बहुत कुछ कमाई वमाई नहीं हुई।
ओके।
और फिर 1989 में अच्छी कमाई हुई। मेरे पास टाटा पावर के शेयर जो मैं 150 रुपये में लिया, उनका भाव 1,000 रुपया हो गया।
ओके।
और फिर सीसा गोवा में मुझे बहुत अच्छा पैसा आया। फिर मधु दंडवटे का बजट आया, उसमें बहुत ही अच्छा पैसा आया, और फिर गाड़ी चल गई।
व्हेन यू एंटर्ड स्टॉक मार्केट, टर्निंग पॉइंट आप आपके कौन से इन्वेस्टमेंट को या फिर कौन से स्टेप को मानते हैं विच एक्चुअली कैटापुल्टेड यू टुवर्ड्स योर
टर्निंग पॉइंट was the मधु दंडवटे budget of 1990.
that was turning
My
point?
net worth went up. Say my net worth must have been 1.5 crores before the budget, 2 crores. In those years was also a good sum of money. And I think within overnight it was 10 crores, and within 3-4 months it was 50 crores. So that was the kind of jump I had. So I think that was a turning point in my life.
आज के मार्केट से अगर कंपेयर करें, इज देयर समथिंग विच यू मिस उन दिनों का? जैसे
The ring.
यू मिस द रिंग।
I used to love go to the ring, meet everybody. खाते रहते थे, चिल्लाते रहते थे, अड़ी लाओ, पौने चार लो। When the news came, the excitement. It was sort of a social meeting point for everybody. And अब रिंग नहीं है। मैंने मेरे दोस्त कमल काबरा जी को बहुत बोला था जब, कि आप कंप्यूटर ट्रेडिंग चालू रखो, लेकिन रिंग भी चालू रखो।
डोंट डिस्कंटिन्यू
द रिंग। बट
अगर होती तो आप आज भी जाते रिंग?
जरूर जाता।
यू मिस इट?
आज 1 घंटा जरूर जाता रोज।
और भी काफी मेमोरीज हैं अर्ली डेज। आई रिमेंबर लास्ट टाइम आल्सो व्हेन आई स्पोक टू यू कि वहाँ पे कुछ एक फेवरेट जॉइंट्स भी थे, फूड स्पॉट्स थे जहाँ
समोसे खाते थे, डोसा खाते थे, नीचे जाके कॉर्नर में सिगरेट पीते थे। और बहुत जब एक्साइट हो जाते, मैं खुद जाके सौदा करता था। और खूब लोगों को एक्साइट कर देने का। कोई बोले अड़ी लाओ, तो अपन पौने चार लाओ, पौने चार लाओ। मतलब जॉबर्स वो रियली क्लच यू एंड
राइट। बट देन जो चेंजेस हमने मार्केट में देखे ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, तो खैर अब तो पूरा फोकस ही अलग हो गया है। बट डू यू फील दिस इज बेटर? अब काफी कॉर्पोरेटाइज हो गया है एंड इन अ वे लॉट ऑफ सिस्टम्स आर इन
प्लेस। दिस इज बेटर, ट्रेडिंग इज मोर ट्रांसपेरेंट, stocks are more liquid, leverage is much easier and cheaper. So undoubtedly this system is far better and more desirable than that outcry system. And I think there is much better corporate governance. There is better following of law. I think SEBI has overall done a very good job. So it's a change from the wild west to the modern trading system.
उस समय का, क्योंकि अब जो शब्द आपने यूज किया वाइल्ड वेस्ट, विच इज वेरी ट्रू एक्चुअली। अगर उस समय के बाजार को रेफर करें, उस समय का आपका कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट आपको याद आता है विच रियली kicked you up or which really excited you? And
Yeah, 2-3 companies, Tata Power, Tata Tea, Sisa Goa, Telco, so many companies.
कोई ऐसा ट्रेड था जिसमें एवरीबडी एडवाइस यू कि यार ये मत कर, इसमें कुछ मजा नहीं है, एंड यू वेंट अहेड एंड डिड
Now,
इट?
the Madhu Danvite's budget, everybody was so bearish, that the world is going to collapse tomorrow. And I was extremely bullish, and I said who to everybody. I put my money where my mouth was.
But what made you believe that this will be a bullish budget? Because I remember everybody had actually written off that budget.
See, Mir, what happened, the two things. One is VP Singh was the Prime Minister, Madhu Danvite was a socialist. Whatever Madhu Danvite was a socialist, but he was a reasonable man, right? And VP Singh was the man who introduced the first liberalization of tax laws in India. When he was finance minister, reduced the rate of tax, I think abolished estate duty or brought down the rate substantially. And VP Singh was essentially understood business. And see, no government would like to hurt business. So despite Mr. Danvite being a socialist and all the socialist talk, my judgment said that they will not do anything which will damage business. And then, all kind of ridiculous talk that if my child goes to a private school, the government will impose a tax. As a student of law, I know that the tax on education is a state subject. The center has no power to levy it. So that means one phase is that there is expectation of extreme steps against business. Two, the expectation is they will do things which are not possible under law. That means extreme fear. And third thing is the market was technically so oversold. So oversold, and there was such a bearish atmosphere. So I was, and the market in the last 5-6 days before the budget was like a ball. That you keep selling and it comes back. You keep selling, it comes back.
Okay.
So despite all that bearish sentiment, I thought that was the bottom.
So you had जो भी आपके पास था सब आपने बेट कर दिया था?
नहीं, ऐसा मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. मैंने काफी शेयर लिए. मैंने टेल्को ले रखा था पहले 96 से, उसका वो 125-30 था. पहले ही वायदे में नफा था काफी बिफोर द बजट. एंड देन आई यूज्ड दैट एंड आई रिस्क्ड आल्सो. देन द बजट यूज्ड टू कम इन द इवनिंग. देन इन द मॉर्निंग आई गॉट अफ्रेड, सो आई हेज्ड. And I remember the hedge shares to cover, I lost 1 crore rupees.
Oh my God.
But as soon as the budget came and we heard it, I just trebled my positions.
Okay.
And then it's all history.
It is. चलिए एक छोटा सा ब्रेक ले लेते हैं. राकेश जी हमारे साथ बने हुए हैं, हम लौट रहे हैं ब्रेक के बाद. ब्रेक के बाद एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है. हमारे साथ इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट के सुपरस्टार राकेश जी बने हुए हैं. सर, काफ़ी उतार चढ़ाव मार्केट्स में भी देखे. हर्षद मेहता स्कैम हुआ है, उसके बाद केतन पारेख, या फिर इवन द 2008 क्रैश एंड एवरीथिंग. कभी कोई ऐसी मोमेंट आई when you felt that now okay, I have done well for myself, now it's time for me to think about something else because this place is really getting risky?
I am a risk taker in life. I will die in the stock market. I will never do any other business. I will retire maybe, but I will never do any other business because I don't know it. And see, what is the risk? I am unaffected. Temporarily or momentarily my wealth might have come down, but I am not involved in the scam, and it's not affected me in a way that I cannot be prosperous again, or it has taken away a major part of my wealth or anything. So I have no qualms about that. And see, we have far lesser wealth than people think, but far more than we need. तो कभी 20-25 टका कम ज़्यादा हो जाएगी, क्या फर्क पड़ने वाला है? वही गाड़ी में बैठेंगे, वही सिगरेट पियेंगे, वही दारू पियेंगे, वही खाना खाएंगे. It doesn't really affect. And by God's grace, touch wood, I leverage, I trade, but I don't do it beyond a point. I do it a point कि कुछ भी हो जाए तो I feel comfortable.
Correct. You won't lose your night's sleep or something. Okay, before we move on, I remember 93 में जब blast हुए थे, that time if I'm not wrong,
I was in the ring.
आप ring में ही थे. How was that moment? What was that moment?
See, that was one time in my life when I contemplated I should leave this country. Because I said, today if the police can't do anything, tomorrow someone rapes my wife, what will happen? The police can't do anything. So I really felt, and then from that way onwards I have become a BJP supporter, and I feel we must be very, very stringent against all this terrorism. And it's a phase of life. We saw, very sorry, and I saw death at close quarters.
Yeah, I mean, you must have you virtually survived through all that.
I saw somebody's head getting cut off by glass, and what saved us is we all thought it's an earthquake. Because ऊपर से जब गाड़ी आई तो नीचे से रबल आया, और बिल्डिंग थोड़ी हिली तो ऐसा लगा earthquake आया. कौन सोचेगा कि कोई गाड़ी, और बहुत बच गए क्योंकि BSE में 2 बेसमेंट है. फर्स्ट बेसमेंट फुल था,
करेक्ट,
इसलिए उसने गाड़ी सेकंड बेसमेंट, फर्स्ट बेसमेंट में पार्क करा तो बहुत ज्यादा डैमेज होती है।
एग्जैक्टली,
और दूसरी चीज, यू कैन नॉट फॉरगेट लार्सन, दैट लार्सन हैज मेड सच अ सॉलिड बिल्डिंग। और क्या रिंग के 12 या 16 एग्जिट थे, नहीं तो लोग पैनिक में। मैं तो ये चिल्ला रहा था मरेंगे तो साथ में मरेंगे, लेकिन डोंट डू अ स्टैम्पीड।
करेक्ट,
बट बिकॉज ऑफ द लार्ज नंबर ऑफ एग्जिट्स, एवरीबडी कुड गो इजिली। दैट वाज एन एक्सपीरियंस इन लाइफ।
नेक्स्ट डे व्हेन यू रेड इन द न्यूज़पेपर, बिकॉज दैट टाइम तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया इतना था भी नहीं वाइड स्प्रेड, एंड व्हेन यू मस्ट हैव रियलाइज्ड दैट मे बी बाय इवनिंग ओनली कि ये इतना वाइड स्प्रेड अटैक था, व्हाट वाज इट दैट यू थिंकिंग?
तो फर्स्ट आई थॉट दिस इज द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इज नीडलेस। कोई हिंदू को मारे, कोई मुस्लिम को मारे, क्या होने वाला है? कोई क्या जीत लेगा?
राइट,
So I thought, we must resolve the differences peacefully, amicably, and we have to stand up to this violence.
एनीवेज मूविंग ऑन, कमिंग बैक टू मार्केट्स, यू आर वन पर्सन जिसका मैंने हमेशा व्यू देखा है कि आपने हमेशा इंडिया स्टोरी में बिलीव किया है, इमटेरियल ऑफ वेदर यू बिलीव इन गवर्नमेंट और नॉट, और पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम और नॉट, जो भी क्राइसिस हैं ऑल, वो सब अपनी जगह है, बट यू हैव बिलीव्ड इन इंडिया स्टोरी, और वो व्यू आपका हमेशा कंसिस्टेंट रहा है। दिस कॉन्फिडेंस कम्स फ्रॉम वेयर? बिकॉज इंडिया इज अ कंट्री जहां पे आप चाहे तो बुलिश भी हो सकते हैं, बट देन देयर आर इनफ रीजंस टू बी बेरिश ऑल्सो।
See, I came to the stock market in defiance of everybody's opinion. It was not that there were no trying moments, but I never lost faith in the market and in my career in the market. Similarly, I'm an opinionated character. I feel the reality is that India is growing. And every day, time is on India's side. And every day, something better happens. So, what is temporarily in any relationship, in any growth story, in any system, in any process, there are going to be setbacks. Right? And to grow for a country with such diverse culture, to grow, prosper, and I have faith in Indian skills, the demographics, the democracy, all this can't be reversed. This is not something which is man-made.
Right.
It's a combination of factors which are, made by so many circumstances, by time. So I have full faith and hope that, I would say more faith, less hope, that, India is going to continue to grow, and the rate of growth is going to go up every 2-3 years, every 4 years.
Right. At this point, coming back to markets, sir, was there ever, because highs and lows are in everybody's life, कोई ऐसा investment which you would like to forget? Any call which you may want to forget, or which now you wonder why I did that,
No, see, why should I forget? I learn from the mistakes.
Yeah.
And the good always comes with the bad. और the bad, right? तो ठीक है, गलतियां हो गई, बेच दिए, भूल गए. There's nothing emotional about it.
Yeah.
But surely I learned from it.
The biggest learning.
You learn from a mistake, You can only learn investing by experience, and experience comes from mistakes.
That's true. चलिए और एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेते हैं, इसी नोट पर लौटते हैं ब्रेक के बाद. वेलकम बैक टू द टर्निंग पॉइंट. हमारे साथ राकेश झुंझुनवाला साहब बने हुए हैं. सर, नाउ टू योर पर्सनल लाइफ, बिकॉज यू आर वन ऑफ द वेरी फ्यू स्पीकर्स जिनके साथ हमने बात की है हु इज़ वेरी ओपन अबाउट हिज पर्सनल लाइफ. फिर वो चाहे इट कुड बी एनीथिंग. सो लेट मी स्टार्ट विद द बैड पार्ट ऑफ इट. इफ देर इज वन थिंग विच यू कुड चेंज अबाउट योर सेल्फ, तो वो क्या होगा?
My personal habits. The amount I drink, the amount I smoke. That is one thing if I could change it. I'm trying to change it. I have reduced it.
But still long way to go.
Yeah. बोलते हैं ना कि सिगरेट पीना छोड़ दिया, तो हमेशा वो लोग पूछते हैं कितनी बार पहले छोड़ा है आपने.
All right. Personally, sir, the happiest moments of your life, maybe one or two. I'm sure there are many. लेकिन फिर
See, the happiest moment of one of the happiest moments of my life was my parents' 50th wedding anniversary. We organized a huge Bhagavad for them, and we booked the full first floor of Taj and had a huge dinner, and my parents were like small children.
Okay.
Right? And अपन माँ बाप को क्या दे सकते हैं, अपन है वो माँ बाप की वजह से. So when I recollect the happiness that they had, it really makes me very, very emotional. And now I think the happiest times I have when I play with my children. I have two sons who are 18, 19 months old.
Right.
Playing with them makes me forget everything. I don't think there is anything more happy in life than playing with my own children.
You forget everything. 2008 का जो क्रैश था, because it was to an extent unexpected, and secondly, people could not gauge the severity of it. Not even the governments, not even the regulators, central banks, nobody. What was your gut feel about it? Because you know it's a
I got
historic
bearish from
event.
2007 October, and I was warning people to 2007 October, November. And I was sure that there's going to be a fall not only in India, in all asset classes worldwide, and I said so and I made presentations for. But and I thought that it's going to be severe, but I also did not estimate. I never expected the Nifty to go below 3,800, 4,000. But I was expecting the Nifty to go down from 6,000, and I thought 4,000 is where it will stop. The fall beyond 4,000 also shocked me. So be it.
But now in hindsight, what is the takeaway from that? Because
See, one hindsight is that there is a certain class of companies who, if you have large quantities, can only be sold in extreme bull runs. So I think we should use opportunity of extreme bull runs to lighten them. Second is, in any large bull run of say 30 years, 40 years, there are going to be big major corrections. And I think these are the two major. And you know, when the market, one other thing was that when market takes momentum towards the side, whether up or down, the limits are not known.
correct.
You know, markets can be extremely positive on the upside and extremely pessimistic on the downside, and that's where maybe the great opportunities lie.
Right. Currently, आपको लग रहा है ऐसा कुछ? Because once again we have seen levels above 20, and though retail investor has refrained this time, but
I think it's a reflection of the recognition that India's growth model is absolutely sustainable, right, and is very solid. I think and India's return on equity is high. So I mean, I don't think there are the excesses now of 2008.
right.
It's a far, far, far different world.
Of course. You've been an investor, the most successful investor, one of the most successful investors this country has ever seen or ever produced. You have been promoter of companies. अब यहाँ से आगे what is it that can excite you? Because you know, as far as capital market is concerned, you have been there, done it all. अब अगली बड़ी challenge क्या है आपके
In
लिए?
the capital market, every day is a new day.
Yeah, of course. But then again,
So
market.
that challenge, yeah, but you know, for some it is mundane. For me, it's very exciting. But what I want to do is that if government has capital account convertibility, I want to try and do what I'm doing in India abroad on an international scale. I think that's what is my next big challenge.
Right. Personally, something which you want to do, and this I'm not referring to your habits, but you know, it happens. जब आप अपनी रूटीन में व्यस्त होते हैं तो ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं बचता for something that you want to do. I know you are a good singer also.
No, I'm not a good singer.
But you like to sing.
I would like to. I do yoga every day for about half an hour, religiously now. But I want to devote more time to doing exercise, walking, or swimming, or playing some game at least 1 hour in the evening. I think that's my hope.
Which is your favorite game?
Like that, I play table tennis very well, but I love to play badminton and tennis.
Okay.
I used to play sometimes. I do play sometimes also now.
कॉलेज डेज की अगर बात करें, कुछ याद आता है आपको कॉलेज डेज में? समथिंग दैट यू मिस नाउ?
Well, I miss those carefree days. क्या था, घूमते थे, फिरते थे. कॉलेज में तो क्या है कि 9 बजे का कॉलेज होता था, मैं तो 11 बजे पहुंचता था रोज. I used to attend the third lecture and the last lecture, or maybe the third lecture, and a lot of friends and those idealism and discussions and debates and meeting girls, watching movies. वो time पे तो video or you have to go to the theater to watch a movie.
Right.
Good carefree days.
Who was your favorite actor then?
Then and now it's still Amitabh Bachchan.
Even now?
I think a multi-pronged personality. What kind of look at उनकी तहजीब देखिए, उनकी tongue देखिए. Whether he speaks in Hindi or English.
Which is your favorite movie of Amitabh?
All of his movies are, but I really liked him in that Diwar. Sholay was very good. He is good in all movies. Kabhi Kabhi was very good.
Right.
Lame was very good.
Actually, all classics, those days. About your sons, जैसे एक होता है, हर पिता की एक इच्छा होती है that my son should become this, on this, and fortunately they have a platform where they can actually do whatever they want. But do you have any wish कि अगर ये करे तो अच्छा है? I mean, what tomorrow if they come and
I
say
have negative wish कि वो कभी जिंदगी में ड्रग्स या सिगरेट नहीं पिए, आप समझे ना, और they be responsible in life. I hope they have my brains and their mother's nature, and I know I want to respect human right and human choice. I want my children to do what they enjoy rather than what I would like them to be. So I have no dreams that they should become big cricketers or big investors or big industrialists. My dream is they do what they enjoy and they do responsibly. They be responsible to society and towards their duties to everybody.
Right.
That's my wish.
If they come and tell you tomorrow कि हमें भी stock market में आना है, then which is one golden advice which you may want to give them?
Always respect the market. Never forget you're playing with fire. And there are no kings in markets. Markets are the ultimate king.
You have never forgotten that, right? When
Absolutely.
आज की जनरेशन के लिए आप क्या संदेश देना चाहेंगे? बिकॉज वन थिंग विच इज मिसिंग इन टूडेज जनरेशन, टू एन एक्सटेंट इंक्लूडिंग माई जनरेशन ऑल्सो, दैट दे डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू डिटेल्स. जो हार्ड वर्क होता है, यू नो, पीपल आर नॉट रियली इंटरेस्टेड इन ऑल दैट.
Well, you can't make money on borrowed knowledge. And it's not easy to make money. And be responsible. Just as would I advise my own children. It's fire, it's hard work. Right. And you know, don't dream with your feet on the ground and your head held high.
Right, sir. So it was a pleasure having you on this show.
You.
Thanks a lot for giving us time.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks.